to our part 1 for our Memorial Day series. Today, we are making taco flag dip. It's gonna be perfect for your Memorial Day parties, your barbecue, something quick you can throw together that everyone's gonna love. So, let's get started. What is the first thing we do?
The first step is we take the chips and lay them down on the pan.
Just lay them flat.
Yep.
Thank you, so I feel like I was born for this.
You are. Perfect.
We're doing this with clean hands.
Yes.
So we should make them flat.
Yeah.
Like just, is that enough? More?
However many you want, I would do a little more. Just to get that extra crunch. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
The second step is we take the meat and we spread it out all over the chips.
Okay, so we have about a pound of ground beef with taco seasoning.
I'm hungry already.
Now, every day is Taco Tuesday. Every day. Spread it out. You could do this with chicken, turkey. You could do it with like meatless, like substitute if you're vegetarian or vegan.
I was thinking shrimp earlier.
Yes.
Would have been good.
Okay.
And then after we're done that, we're gonna take the lettuce and sprinkle it all over that. Okay, make your next layer.
So there's some shredded iceberg. Yum. Okie dokie. Next.
And then we are gonna take the sour cream,
Okay.
talapatese, and we're gonna make a little square in the corner where the stars go.
Or the stars. Okay, so for the camera. It's a square. Right? There we go.
Yeah, it looks great.
All right.
Okay. Then we're gonna take the olives and make them like little stars.
Okay.
The flags coming together.
It is coming together. So easy. But everybody will be impressed. Okay. It's kind of there.
Yeah.
You get the idea.
Yeah. And then we're gonna take the cheese, best
Okay.
part, and sprinkle it all over where the lettuce is, not the sour
Not
cream.
the sour cream. What did we get? We got jalapeno,
Yeah.
habanero,
Spicy cheese.
Spicy.
Spice it up a little bit.
We're just gonna go like crazy.
Yeah, we gave it a little kick.
Who doesn't like cheese? I mean, I'm like.
I would just throw all the cheese on.
Yeah.
Why not? Go
Acting like
crazy.
we're.
Great. Okay, and then we're gonna take the salsa.
Okay.
And we're gonna spread it out like stripes.
Love that. Red first, right?
Yes. That looks so cute.
So cute. And one more.
That looks so great.
So cute. Really impressed.
And yummy. All
Oh my
right.
gosh. It's so cute. Okay.
That's our taco salad
There it
flag.
So
Looks
easy,
so great.
so cute. It's that thing you're gonna bring to the barbecue and everybody's gonna be taking pictures of it. They're
Took
gonna
us
be
only a
posting it
couple
on their
minutes to
stories.
make.
It was seriously so quick. And there's really endless options. You can do fresh tomatoes. You can do different cheeses.
Maybe some beans.
Yeah. Oh,
And
yeah,
of course guac because we're extra.
Great. So thanks for joining us for part 1 of our Memorial Day series. We will see you next time for some Memorial Day cocktails.
Ooh, yum.